Today I'm going to make air fryer lemon garlic broccoli. First I'm going to cut my head of broccoli into florets. Next I'm going to season the broccoli, so first I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil, then the juice of 1 lemon. Lastly, I'm going to sprinkle in some garlic powder. Then I'm just going to mix that up until the broccoli is coated in the oil, lemon, and garlic. Next I'm going to preheat my air fryer. I'm going to put it on bake at 325 for 10 minutes and then I'm going to click on the turn reminder because halfway through I'm going to flip over the broccoli. Now that my air fryer is preheated, I put down a parchment liner and I'm going to add the broccoli. Now that the broccoli has cooked about halfway through, I'm going to flip over the broccoli and then let it cook for the last 5 minutes. This is what the broccoli looks like when it came out of the air fryer.